Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer how to connect your Namecheap domain to DreamHost hosting. So here on DreamHost you want to go to and click manage websites, and here I already have one domain connected from GoDaddy, but let's just see how it will look like, how to add it. So you want to go ahead and click add a website and enter your domain here. After that, you want to go ahead to Namecheap and copy your domain name or just enter it manually. After that, we want to wait for it to check and it's registered with domain provider. So you'd want to click yes, I am the owner, and click next hosting. Now, I already hosting another domain, so I cannot choose this option, but you want to choose shared hosting or any hosting plan you already use. Click right here. I'm just gonna use maybe redirect or set to DNS only, and click right there. And after that, it's processing and you need to wait until 100%. And after that, we will need to change our domain name servers on Namecheap. Now, after it's done, you want to go ahead and manage and click on DNS. And now here it is, the name servers. We want to refresh them because they shouldn't be these ones. I'm just going to go ahead to Namecheap. And from here, you want to go ahead on name servers here. Click right there, custom DNS, and add those free DreamHost name servers, just like so. After that, click this save button, and it may take some time to set up, but basically when you're done with DreamHost records, after that, your domain is successfully connected. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.